Hi there. Today we will be using the virtual manipulatives from abcya.com. It's a free resource for you to use fraction tile manipulatives with your students. First, you will go to the abcya.com website and hit the go from the main screen. Once you hit the main screen, it will take you to the instruction page where students can read step by step how they are going to use these tiles online. Once you are familiar with it and your students are ready to go, you will hit this flashing button right here where it's pointing to the X. You're going to click on the X. We're only going to work with fractions today, but you can also work with decimals and percents. These are just conversions of each other. But today we are going to work with fraction tiles. We are going to want to add 1/6 plus 1/2. So we are going to want to drag a 1/6 piece over to the side, as well as a 1/2 piece. And we're going to put them side by side so that we can compare. Now what I would have students do next is to just explore with these different tiles and see how they can make an equivalent fraction. So they would pull over these pieces and see if they can use the various pieces to match up and be the same length as the fraction tile I had placed down. Now, if you've been noticing, it's been really hard for me to line these up on my own, but there is a great tool that you can use on here that will link those together automatically. You just go to this button right here and you click Snap Together. Make sure that is turned on. Once that is turned on, you click OK, and we can go back and we'll notice that these will now click together and they will match up. It makes it so much easier. So now we can see our tiles are better lined up. Once they're lined up, students are able to determine that 1/6 plus 1/2 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So the student's answer to this problem would be 4/6. This can be done with other fractions. Let's try 1/2 plus 1/3. Hit your eraser and move all of these over. Now let's grab our 2/3 pieces, just one here and another, as well as a 1/4 piece. Once again, students will use the various tiles to determine if they can get the same length with a different fraction. If students have come across what I have just come across and have determined that these tiles do not fit and they are not the same length, tiles can be moved back over to the left side. Just click and drag over. Students can then pick a new tile and see if it will be as equivalent. I think we found it. So we know that 1/4 is the same as 3/12 and 1/3 is the same as 4/12. We can then add all of our 12ths together and determine that 2/3 plus 1/4 is the same as 11/12.